Good morning to all my represented teach. Good morning to good morning to all my represented teacher and all the representatives who are seeing my presentation. Today I am going to talk about the Today I am going to represent a representation. Today I am going to present a presentation in which I will talk about the characteristics of the Lencho. She was a hard-working farmer. Hard-working farmer. He had firm faith in God. Lencho was a hard-working farmer and he has a faith. Lencho was a hard-working farmer and he was having the unbreakable faith in the God. He believed that God is watching everything or would definitely help him. Field was waiting for rain. He was very happy to see rain, but the later he turned to worry as the rain became a storm and destroyed his field. He was having a lot faith in the God and he was having a lot faith in the God and he was thinking that the God is seeing everything and one day the rain would even he was having the great faith in the God and he was thinking that the God is watching everything and one day in his field the rain will definitely came. He was having a lot of faith in the God and he was thinking that one day the rain will definitely come into his fields and the rain came but it turned into a storm and destroyed his field. Had deep faith in the God after of field. He was hopeful that everything will be alright. Although the Lancho was a very strong man and worked the field, his faith made him write a letter to God. As I have told you, he has a great faith in the God. Then, after the destroying of its field, he was then also having a faith that all the things would be become normal, and he was a very good hard working guy, and he kept on working on his fields. Can God write a letter to God for 100 rupees from the God and when he received Rancho was when he received only 20 again he wrote a letter to the asking for remaining piece was forced the department and stealing. This shows the Lancho was a religious man. So this is all about the Lancho and I think he also wrote an letter to the God because he was having a lot of faith in the God. He wrote in the letter that he wanted 100 pesos, and after that, the 70 pesos came to him, and he again wrote another letter in which he asked for remaining 70 pesos. This shows that he was an truly religious guy. I think as the Lencho has a great faith in the God, we all should also have the same faith. We- I think we should have the same spirit in. I think we should have the faith and believe in the God. I think we all should have a great faith in the God as the Lencho had. Thank you, ma'am, for watching my presentation. This was the characteristics of Lencho from the chapter The Letter to the God. A letter to. Thank you, ma'am, for watching my video. Thank you, ma'am, for watching my presentation. This was the character. Thank you, ma'am, for watching my videos. These were only the characteristics of